What's up, fam? Okay, long story short, I went to get a haircut in a press. The haircut turned out beautifully. The press, not so much. I received heat damage and I was so flipping upset. I was so mad, but I had planned on doing the big chop again anyway, so maybe it was divine intervention. I don't know, because I don't believe in holding on to damaged hair because it will creep up to the healthy hair, and we don't want to do that. Just chop it off. You treat it right, it'll grow back. So my hair felt so flipping good. I was just like rubbing in it for the longest time. And then I just applied a product, two products actually that I make. The spray is the Never Naughty. It's a detangling spray. And then I added the Delish Curls Curl Defining Cream, and it popped those curls, ladies and gentlemen, and voila, the big chop. Ladies and gentlemen, the big chop.